Welcome to my channel, and today I'm reviewing Cryptonity. It's a crypto community exchange platform. Now, the public sales, the first one will end in 26 days, so you still have the time to be able to get involved with this ICO. And you can see the white paper in numerous languages, in French, in English, in Japanese, in Russian, and different languages. So just click on the one you want, just click on the particular language you want, and you'll be able to read the white paper in your own language, or the language that you prefer. It says Cryptonity is a combination of two words, crypto and community. Simple but strong and meaningful. Our goal is to be an exchange that is respected by the crypto community. We aim at providing the most comprehensive, secure, transparent, and collaborative exchange platform in the market. We want to bring good vibes to the crypto world, breaking with the only profit policy of most exchanges. And the main feature of this ICO is a comprehensive crypto system. It's going to be secure, and there will be an insurance for it, a community-centric trading platform. Let's scroll down. XNY is a token name, and is an ERC20 token that is based on Ethereum blockchain. 100 million total supply and 23 cents. And here it says XNY token is sale live on La Token Exchange. Buy now. So it's even available on the exchange. And the public sales start on October 31 and end on November 30. That is phase 1. Phase 2, November 30 starts and end December 14, and the final sale 3 ends in December 31, 2018. And no new token will be ever created, and unsold token will be destroyed. This is the roadmap. 2018 they've started, and you can see what they hope to achieve one after another. So you can check articles about them, reviews about them on different one of them is ICO Bench. Let's check it out. 4.1 expert rating. They are based in France. You need the KYC, and you can buy with Ethereum, BTC, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Gewusio Moradeja Van Bilinguyen. You can find the co-founder and CEO here, and different members and investors and advisors. You can find them here. Frequently I ask question, when will the token be distributed? For instance, click on it. It will be distributed 15 days after our token says end. So on January 15, 2019, token sales will be distributed. Do you have airdrop and bottle program? How is your crypto community different from other exchanges? Let's check that out. Cryptonity aims at distributing the crypto exchange market by providing a fully secure, transparent, and community-centric crypto ecosystem by providing our users a comprehensive set of ergonomic trading tools and involving them in the development of the platform, and so on. So you can see a difference. And now let's go here. 34,902 members on their Telegram, and you can find 16.2k followers. It's huge. And the white paper, 17-page white paper. I encourage you to go through it and your preferable language. You'll be able to know more about this ICO. So I believe this project is unique, it's nice, and it's an exchange ICO, and of course the token is going to be valuable because it will be used for trading fee. So I'm dropping the link below. Just check on the description box and go for this ICO. But do not forget, anything I said in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Do not take it as a professional advice. Thank you for watching my video. I love you all. Until next time I come your way, please be safe.